Juniper Sky Enterprise cloud-based management makes deployment and management of Juniper devices incredibly simple. Starting with the dashboard, we can see our sites on the map and the number of devices online. From here, we move to the Devices tab, where we can see all our devices in one view, including hostname, model, and status. We can assign tags, download an asset list, and perform searches. Next, we take a look at the Topology tab, where we are presented with a real-time view. By clicking on an element, we are provided with link and IP address details. Sky Enterprise includes a simple API integration for Mist systems that can be turned on in minutes. This gives visibility of your Mist access points and their connected clients. And by clicking here, we are launched directly into the Mist portal, where we can perform additional management tasks on our access points. Back in Sky Enterprise, we return to the Devices tab and click on the Action menu for an SRX. Using this menu, we can configure security policies, zones, IDP, and more. Next, we look at the interfaces on the device. Sky Enterprise collects the device data in real time. Here we are able to view, edit, and bounce the interface. Commit Confirmed is built into Sky Enterprise, so you never have to worry about losing access to a device after making a change. You can also configure and manage VLANs, ranges, and spanning tree protocol. Next, we look at the System and Monitoring section for this device. Here we can view commit history, compare commits, and perform rollbacks. In the Config Backups tab, we can view and download historical configs and compare against other versions. In this section, we also have tools for diagnostics, packet capture, and RPM probes. Sky Enterprise has a set of tools to help build and manage infrastructure-centric SD-WANs. Here we can view WAN interface graphs along with per-interface application usage. We can install and manage licenses, and here we can create and edit application routing profiles. These profiles can then be associated with real-time performance monitoring for link failover activation. For users with two-factor authentication enabled, Sky Enterprise provides direct access to the command line interface. This is a useful remote access feature and makes the full power of Junos available from a browser. Sky Enterprise supports new and legacy Juniper devices, and adding them to the platform is easy. Click the Add Device option and enter basic device details. If you are using the zero-touch provisioning option, add the serial number and select a template. When the device is plugged in, it will call home to Juniper, and, when authorized by an administrator, it will be configured and connected to Sky Enterprise. This makes network rollouts incredibly efficient and fast. Now let's look at some of the tools for managing multiple devices. Here we have the bulk update feature, where we can schedule changes to one or many devices. Simply add the target devices here based on device name, site, or tag, then select from Set Commands or Junos configuration. For more complex changes, templates can be created with variables to allow per-device options for bulk updates. Sky Enterprise also includes zero-touch provisioning templates, software upgrades, and security templates. For a free trial, please go to juniper.net/try. Thanks for watching.